What's up guys, Steven Dexter. Welcome to my new video lessons of the week. So today we're going to talk about MTSL, CALI, and all the plays last week. And I think there's a major change in the market and almost all stocks are really crowded. There's one example is like BLIN, another example is like ticker GNE. So when the stock is trading over 10 million volume on the first hour, and typically overextended more than the short sellers can expect. So sometimes they squeeze, take it all the way to the next day, sometimes they fade in the afternoon. But as a major short seller, you want to short into really fast spikes, come back down really fast so you can make your profits really quick. But on those really crowded trades, it's really tough to predict when they're gonna drop and how they're gonna drop. And when it drops, if it's a fake out or it's a fake breakout, fake breakdown. So it's really hard to predict. So on the first green day with really crowded trades, I suggest you to rather avoid shorting it or try to go go long because it has more extended level compared to all the really thin stocks. So let's also talk about BLIN. I think as I mentioned in my chat room, the major crack was $3 right around here. I think I shorted around 310. Made around roughly 10,000 on this one, maybe 20,000. And when those crowded trades that have major momentum shifting, it is really easy to hold into the next day and making that really safe 20%. So first, crowded trades, major breakdown, and completely shift its momentum. Really safe to hold into next day for that safe 20%. GNE, I think this one's kind of a little choppy, so it's not that overextended yet. It didn't really gap, so I would rather avoid on GNE. So MTSL, which is traded around 12 million shares on July 11th, and it didn't bounce that far, so I would like to maybe bounce to 350 for a potential short. That's just my thought process. And you can see it's not really parabolic, it's grinding. There's red candles and there's a little bit pullback. I think this one can go a little bit further. I would try to reserve shares, but I wouldn't try to short right here. It's a little bit dangerous. Your risk is a little bit too wild. CLI double top in the 5 and start fading. I wanted to short this one, but it doesn't give me enough convince because where am I gonna risk? There is no hardcore resistance I can risk into, but that $5 round number is probably one of my risk to do it, but didn't pull the trigger and missed that one too. So another stock is popping up, PED. This is another trashy stock that is moving again. Hopefully pushes long enough for me to take a short positions. Now for recent market, either they're super crowded, you can potentially go long in the morning, or the gap so far can take a potential short into the morning spikes. So there's all different ways you can play with the stocks. So the major thing is to catch the momentum because especially during the summer, all those stocks goes 5,000%, 1,000%. It comes back down to 70%. So on a major short or going long, if you can make 25% of your positions, that's considered to be a really good trade. So no need to be rushed on all those rush into a play, start to get over trades into your account, and that's the bad way to grow your account. So I think that will be the entire analysis for last week and this Monday. And our monthly report is coming today, and make sure to check it out. And if you want to see our monthly report, you have to go into the link that I put on under this video. Click that, purchase tier 2, and we'll be updating monthly report every single month. And also will tell you each month what happens, what kind of stock is ordinary, and what kind of stock is unordinary, and what we can come up with to adapt to the new market. So I think that would be it, and thank you very much. You guys have a great day.